Deeper into technology, Web 3.0 takes us to the detailed, user-specific improvement of the internet. In this section, hacking is almost deemed impossible. Hence, we are provided with a lot of resources where we can produce outputs that could be hard for everyone else. Just a touch of cryptocurrency and something nice could be made. Using the blockchain technology, you can now create a decentralized internet. Yes, a matter of digital currency can make that happen. It might look too complex to do, but that's why we are here to help you. We are going to take the third version of the internet to a new level. But first, hello and welcome back to the channel. This is CryptoNow, and we're back with another incredible video. So please subscribe to the channel and enable alerts to be notified of each new upload. At one point, you can consider using cryptocurrency for purchasing items, earning money, and investing under fast circumstances. But did you know that this could also help you make a devolved internet just in your premises? Again, this is something that can be exclusively yours. In this video, we will open your eyes to Web 3.0, where there are more immersive possibilities for you to achieve more than what the second version could offer. Blockchain technology, its uses, and how it can create internet will be discussed. Are you ready to know everything you need to know about this new type of expertise? Blockchain technology. What? Only a few people who want to take cryptocurrency to a new level are familiar with blockchain technology. What does crypto technology have to do with this? A dispersed database is knowingly handled by a number of participants and is called distributed ledger technology, or simply termed as DLT. And blockchain, as few know it, blockchain is a type of DLT where the transactions made in the database are recorded through the use of an absolute cryptographic signature known as the hash. Cryptographic digital signatures are mathematical schemes that use public key algorithms to produce information veracity. These signatures are verified over time and are used to prove that the data you input is authentically from you and therefore it can't be altered. In addition, a hash is used to secure this type of information, making sure it stays confidential. A distributed ledger technology is recognized to be programmable, secure, distributed, unanimous, anonymous, immutable, and time-stamped. From the adjectives used to describe such a piece, it is undoubtedly found reliable by those who know its functions and capabilities. This is why blockchain technology, as a system that ledges the duplicated and distributed transactions, is deemed to be difficult or nearly impossible to change, hack, or cheat into. This makes the information accessible to only the entire network of computer systems connected to it. Furthermore, every new transaction is recorded to every participant's ledger for authenticity. This also makes it easy to see if one chain is changed or hacked. Thus, the participants can track it down. The well-known blockchains of today are Bitcoin and Ethereum, which makes the ledger more secure. If hackers want to hack this block system, they will have a hard time because they will need to hack every block in the chain and every ledger where transactions are recorded. This is what makes this system reliable for a lot of people. In the past, there had been trust issues between those who are planning to handle digital money using blockchain, but it has been resolved by making a database that allows users to customize their own and having nobody in charge of their information but themselves. Aside from that security, Bitcoin can never be hacked, faked, or double-spent. The digits do not lie. Blockchain technology is indisputably a trusted system for your records and transactions. It can kick out hackers and secure things you need to keep safe, such as your finances. But crypto technology is not only for your currencies and investments. It could also be used for you to create a dispersed internet. Considering it is a chain of blocks of shared transactions, it is possible that internet can be made through this connection. In the second part of this video, we will show you how blockchain technology can make the internet for many participants. Yet before that, we want to know if you are engaged in this higher level of web knowledge. Do you plan on creating the internet too? Let us know in the comments. We would be happy to know what crypto technology you're up to these days. Alright, we've made it halfway through our list, and we sincerely hope you've enjoyed it thus far. If you have, please give us a thumbs up and turn on notifications to be notified of new uploads. Going back to the second part, decentralized internet achieved. This generation is full of people who are acquainted to the internet in one way or another. Even toddlers adore using gadgets and being engaged in the use of technology. Internet is defined as a global network that provides a variety of information and communication facilities through interconnected networks under certain digital properties. However, the internet begins to be profoundly public. It is getting harder for individuals to contain information that is deemed confidential. Through illegal methods and hacking, sensitive pieces of data may be at risk, especially if these belong to large corporations and companies. Finding a reliable method to distribute these transactions to certain companies has become a challenge for these people. The first part of this video stated how blockchain technology could provide a private setting for users through chain of blocks protected by cryptographic digital signature. This is precisely the type of assurance private transactions need to confide to. Prominent personalities in society tend to have classified information in order to store and compute numbers in their establishments. This is something that governments or other trading businesses should participate in. When a decentralized internet is successfully made with blockchain technology, one can assure that it is secure and can't be hacked or cheated. Considering the hash or number of hashes built in its database, no one can easily go into the interconnection of ledgers connected to this internet. This was made in hopes of having trusted technology to keep data secure. Thus, the cheating methods used in big internet connections will be avoided. Decentralized internet. Types. The internet is still a working project under Bitcoin, and so there are several types of internet services with blockchain-based methods. For one, we have Filecoin, which replaces cloud storage providers by offering a decentralized file storage network. Aside from it being bigger, it also allows the participants to rent out their unused hard drive space for an exchange of cryptocurrency. Moreover, they will be perfectly secured encrypted files, and there is still external storage free. What's more, Bitcoins are moved from one user to the other. Blockstack is another output that focuses on creating a new layer so that the internet can manage decentralized applications. This is strictly user-centered. The texts, images, and files you want to share can be passed through locally run apps. The ones who made and developed the apps don't have access to these transactions, just like the whole idea of Bitcoin. The users are the ones who will choose who gets to save their information, read or write in it, and if they can even open these files. The last startup to be discussed is Andrina. This seeks to use peer-to-peer mesh networks instead of routing ones. If you remember Bitcoin, this is exactly their idea of exchanging currencies, and so, this is how public Andrina works as well. This might be slightly costly compared to public routers, but Andrina is proven to provide reliable information only within your connected ledgers. Blockchain technology. Risks. One thing you will need to remember in setting up your internet is the risks you will be making. First, you will have to ensure that you will attract several users for your ledgers. Second, you must make sure to use the blockchain ethically. It is never intended to be used for illegal activities, such as exchanging currencies for drugs and weapons. Finally, the networks in this chain are user-centered. This means that the users who ought to be participants should control their information and entry as well as the access to the data. In a chain, if one of the blocks is on hold for too long, it might cause difficulties in the whole system. Be mindful of these risks once you start using blockchain technology. This ends our video on blockchain technology. It is a project that you can still explore as it is still on the verge of discovery. However, the cryptographic digital signature can make sure that your ledger and information are protected. You can try making your very own dispersed internet when you have your blockchain account and hash. That concludes today's video. Please subscribe to the channel and enable alerts to be notified of new uploads. This is CryptoNow, and we'll see you in our next video. Let us know what topic you want to be highlighted in our next update. We'll be waiting for your response.